Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your internet better on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find your games. Here you're gonna find media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to make your internet better on the PlayStation 5, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on network. And then once you do that, right here you can test your internet connection. Just click on start test and then you can test and see how fast is your internet connection. And then if everything is alright, you can go here to settings. Make sure you enable connect to internet, click on setup internet connection, then search for your Wi-Fi network. Once you find this, click on options. And then here you're gonna find some advanced settings. Here you're gonna find forget, scan networks, Wi-Fi frequency bands. So go ahead and click on advanced settings and then click on DNS settings, click on manual, and then make sure you add this DNS server. The primary one is 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS is 8.8.4.4. This might be very beneficial, especially for your ping. So basically guys, this server is for Google. Once you finish, go ahead and click on OK and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.